The whys and wherefores.
These landscapes aren't brought about by aridity. Plants can grow again, but they can't conceal the origins of this landscape completely. Volcanoes are responsible for these strangely shaped mountains, a source of fertile soil from the Earth's interior. In a volcanic eruption, fluid rock from the depths of the Earth is forced up to the surface. And then the young rock cools down.
This experiment demonstrates how ash is blown from the Earth's interior to the surface.
This is what the actual landscape looks like. Or else the ground is covered by solidified lava. Exposed to the effects of weathering, the hard crust breaks open. Over the course of centuries, the rock is broken down into smaller and smaller pieces until it ends up as soil. This transformation has been brought about by sun, rain and wind. Plants gradually take over this volcanic soil. Human beings cultivate the land. The crater turns into a lake. On the coasts, the rock from the interior of the Earth is exposed to the force of the sea. The waves erode the hard volcanic rock and pulverize it into sand. A beach of black sand. In a volcanic region, nothing unusual. Sometimes the sand is hot. Just the thing if you want to take a thermal cure. Here's another volcanic landscape in Africa. And this is in America.
This experiment shows how the molten rock is forced up out of the ground.
But how did the rocky stumps come about?
When a volcano erupts, molten rock forces its way to the Earth's surface. Then it cools down and forms a plug in the volcanic cone. Wind, rain and sun cause the surrounding material to disintegrate. If the plug is made of very hard rock, after centuries, it's the only part that's left.
This is what it actually looks like. The shape of the rock shows that it was once fluid and was forced upwards. The softer rock surrounding it has been eroded. If we look at the volcanic rock more closely, we can see that it's full of little holes.
If you watch yeast dough as it rises, you'll probably understand why. It's the gas bubbles that make the yeast dough rise. They can be clearly seen inside it. There are similar bubbles in volcanic rock, because the tremendous heat causes gases to form, and these only escape gradually after the rock has solidified.
Gases are also responsible for the shape of some craters.
In a volcanic eruption, a giant bubble of gas may force the fluid rock upwards. After the rock has solidified, the gas gradually escapes. The pressure which caused a cavity to form is no longer as great, so the hollow part collapses. As the years go by, this structure is changed by weathering.
That's exactly how this crater came about. Petrified forests like this one are sometimes to be found in volcanic regions. Molten rock once flowed through a living forest here. The wet tree trunks cooled the rock down, and it formed a hard crust round them. The trees themselves vaporized. The molten rock flowed on, leaving a stone forest behind it. There are volcanoes in all parts of the world. In favourable conditions, plants immediately take possession of the fertile soil. Volcanoes in Africa. In Japan, the volcano Fujiyama has become a holy mountain. And in the Philippines, volcanic regions have become fertile agricultural areas.